Today we are unboxing the new Seyco ST24 scroll saw. There she is, the new ST24 Seyco scroll saw. And here's a tip for you. When you lift out your scroll saw out of the box, you want to make sure that you never lift it by the head of the saw, so the top part that moves. You always want to make sure that you lift it together and never hold it by that top piece. Another tip is you always want to take out all the styrofoam out of the box, because the legs of the saw are actually at the very, very bottom of the box. We now have all the pieces out of the box, and now it's time to put it together.